Hi, and welcome to the first episode of NextHorizon. Today, we're going to be discussing technologies that have yet to be discovered, but have the potential to completely reshape human civilizations. From artificial intelligence to teleportation, these technologies hold immense promise and could bring about major changes to the way we live and interact with the world. As we delve into these exciting possibilities, we'll also be exploring the challenges and ethical considerations that come with them. So sit back, grab a snack, and get ready to be transported to a world of limitless technological possibilities. Artificial intelligence is already changing the world as we know it, but imagine a future where AI surpasses human intelligence and can perform any intellectual task that a human can. This is the concept of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, and it's a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with each other. With AGI, computers would be able to learn and improve on their own, leading to new forms of problem solving, innovation, and creativity. For example, AGI could be used to solve complex mathematical problems that are beyond human capabilities, develop new drugs and treatments for diseases, and even design and build entire cities from scratch. However, this also raises important ethical questions about the role of AI in society and the potential for machines to surpass human intelligence and potentially pose a threat. As we continue to advance in the field of AI, it's important to consider the implications of AGI and work towards developing it in a responsible and ethical manner. In order to ensure the safe and responsible development of AGI, it's important to consider the potential risks and benefits, and to have open and honest discussions about the future of AI. It's also important to establish ethical guidelines for the development and use of AGI, in order to ensure that it is used for the betterment of humanity, rather than causing harm. The potential for AGI to reshape human civilizations is immense, but so are the challenges and considerations that come with it. As we continue to explore this exciting technology, it's important to approach it with caution and with a focus on ensuring its safe and responsible development. Interstellar travel has long been a staple of science fiction, but what if it were to become a reality? That's the promise of warp drive technology, a faster-than-light propulsion system that would make interstellar travel possible. The concept of a warp drive is based on the idea of warping space-time, allowing a spacecraft to travel faster than the speed of light without actually breaking the laws of physics. With this technology, humans could potentially explore other star systems, colonize new planets, and expand our knowledge of the universe beyond our current understanding. The development of warp drive technology would be a massive undertaking, requiring significant advancements in our understanding of physics and engineering. However, the potential rewards are enormous, and the impact that it could have on human civilizations is impossible to predict. In addition to the potential benefits of interstellar travel, there are also important ethical considerations that come with this technology. For example, what are the consequences of colonizing other planets and interacting with other forms of life? How will we protect the integrity of our own planet and ensure that our impact on the universe is positive? The development of warp drive technology is still in its infancy, and there is much research and development that needs to be done before it becomes a reality. But the promise of faster-than-light travel and the potential for exploring the universe in new ways is an exciting one, and one that has the potential to completely reshape human civilizations. In conclusion, warp drive technology holds immense promise, but also comes with important ethical considerations that must be taken into account. As we continue to explore this technology and its potential, it's important to approach it with caution and a focus on ensuring its safe and responsible development. The concept of time travel has captivated the imaginations of people for centuries, and it remains a popular subject in science fiction. But what if time travel were to become a reality? The potential impact that this technology could have on human civilizations is impossible to predict. The idea of time travel is based on the theory of general relativity, which suggests that the fabric of space-time is curved and that time can be affected by gravity. With time travel, it would be possible to travel forwards or backwards in time, potentially changing the course of history and altering the future. However, the development of time travel technology would also come with significant challenges and ethical considerations. For example, what are the consequences of altering the course of history? And what would happen if someone were to change an event that is crucial to the development of our civilization? In addition, there are also important scientific questions to consider, such as the nature of causality and the consistency of the past. These questions require a deeper understanding of physics and the nature of time, and they are likely to remain a topic of ongoing research and debate. Despite the challenges and uncertainties surrounding time travel, it remains an exciting and intriguing technology that has the potential to completely reshape human civilizations. As we continue to explore the science and technology of time travel, it's important to approach it with caution and a focus on ensuring its safe and responsible development. Brain-machine interfaces, or BMIs, are technologies that allow the human brain to directly control machines, without the need for physical movement. These interfaces have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, offering new possibilities for communication, control, and rehabilitation. Advanced BMIs take this technology to the next level, allowing for more seamless and intuitive control of machines. This could include the use of implanted electrodes or non-invasive techniques, such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, or electroencephalography, EEG, to directly read and interpret brain signals. One of the key applications of advanced BMIs is in the field of rehabilitation and assistive technology, where they have the potential to help people with disabilities regain movement or communication capabilities. In addition, these interfaces could also be used in a variety of other fields, such as gaming, virtual reality, and even military applications. However, the development of advanced BMIs also raises important ethical considerations. For example, what happens when our brains are directly connected to machines? How do we ensure that our privacy and autonomy are protected in this new world of direct brain-machine interaction? In conclusion, advanced BMIs hold immense promise, but also come with important ethical considerations that must be taken into account. As we continue to explore this technology and its potential, it's important to approach it with caution and a focus on ensuring its safe and responsible development. Teleportation, the ability to instantly transport objects or individuals from one location to another, has long been a staple of science fiction. But what if teleportation were to become a reality? The impact that this technology could have on human civilizations is difficult to predict. The concept of teleportation is based on the theory of quantum mechanics, which suggests that the properties of particles can be instantaneously transferred from one place to another, without actually moving through the intervening space. However, the practical realization of teleportation is still a long way off and requires a deeper understanding of the fundamental nature of quantum mechanics. One of the key benefits of teleportation is that it would provide an almost instantaneous means of transportation, eliminating the need for traditional modes of travel and making it possible to instantly transport people, goods, and resources across vast distances. However, the development of teleportation technology would also come with significant challenges, including the need for vast amounts of energy and the preservation of the properties of objects being transported. In addition, there are also important ethical considerations to consider, such as the potential consequences of teleportation on the environment, and the social and economic impacts of instant transportation. In conclusion, teleportation holds immense promise, but also comes with important challenges and ethical considerations that must be taken into account. As we continue to explore this technology and its potential, it's important to approach it with caution and a focus on ensuring its safe and responsible development. That concludes today's episode, where we've explored some of the technologies that could potentially shape the future of humanity. These technologies hold great promise, but also come with important ethical considerations that must be taken into account. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, it's important to approach these technologies with caution and a focus on ensuring their safe and responsible development. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you found this episode informative and thought-provoking. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and we'll see you next time.